Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video calling on WhatsApp using your PC. With the latest updates, it's easier than ever to connect with your favorite contacts through video calls. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you have it installed and that you're logged in. If you haven't done this yet, simply download the desktop version from the official WhatsApp website and scan the QR code using your phone to sync your account. Once you're in, look for the phone icon located in the left side menu. This icon is your gateway to making calls. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. Next, navigate to the Favorites section. Here, you'll find all your favorite contacts neatly organized for quick access. To see more options, click on More, which will expand your contact list. Now, find the contact you wish to video call. Once you've located them, right-click on their name. A menu will pop up with various options, and this is where the magic happens. Click on Video Call to initiate a call. After clicking, WhatsApp will handle the rest and connect you to your contact. Ensure that your microphone and camera are working properly so you can enjoy a smooth video calling experience. And that's it. You've successfully made a video call to your favorite contact on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is perfect for catching up with friends or family, especially when you're unable to meet in person. Remember, video calling requires a stable internet connection, so make sure you're connected before starting your call. Enjoy connecting with loved ones through this fantastic feature. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using WhatsApp and other tech tools effectively. Happy calling!